Hi there, hope you are doing great. I'm here to discuss with you all on an amazing concept or amazing platform that we are hearing for the last 1 week, which is called Bitclout. Whatever websites we are seeing, whatever crypto news that we are hearing, we often see this particular term called Bitclout. So what exactly is this particular term? In which way it is going to revolutionize the social media platforms are the things that we are going to see in detail in a series of videos like this. The reason why I'm saying a series of videos is that I'm going to discuss with you all in detail on how this particular platform works by showing you on a real-time demos. So that I have planned for say a 4 to 5 series of videos which will clarify you in detail on all the FAQs that you will be having with respect to this particular concept. So without wasting the time, let us see what I have planned for you. And before that, let me give a brief introduction about myself. So I'm Premchand Kasi, a chartered accountant and a company secretary, a blockchain and fintech enthusiast. I'm an author to the blog which is Global Finex, where I'll be discussing all the industry use cases of blockchain on daily basis. So till now I have posted close to 170 plus use cases, and I'm also a course instructor for robotic process automation for fintech enthusiasts. So that's a brief about me. And yeah, this is something which I have planned to discuss in phase 1. So these are the common FAQs that I'll be discussing in detail. To start with, what exactly is this Bitclout? What exactly this conveys? What is the value addition that it is going to bring to us? Well, we'll be discussing in a little while. Yeah, who has built it and why is it really required? I do have a lot of social media platforms, so-called Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, or even Instagram. Yeah, I have all these, but why this is required and what is the unique thing that it is going to bring to us by sitting on the top of blockchain? Well, so further I'll be talking on about what is its native currency, what exactly is this term called creator coins. My friends, this is the unique thing that this particular platform is going to bring to us. And what is that we'll be seeing in detail. Yeah, how we are going to gain money or the capital appreciation. Of course, this is what we are waiting for. Well, how this is being made possible with this Web 3.0 application is something that we'll be discussing in a little while. And of course, what are the uses of these creator coins? Yeah, so all these things I have planned to cover in phase 1. And there are a lot more interesting things that I want to cover in phase 2 as well as phase 3. And if at all I miss any things to cover in these 3 phases, I'll certainly take it up in phase 4 and phase 5. Well, so with this agenda for today's discussion, let's head to the first slide, which is what is Bitclout. So simple friends, it's a new social media network or the social media platform that you can imagine just like the Twitter, right, which is something that we are currently using. But this particular social media platform is running on the top of its own blockchain, and it is offering us to speculate on people and the posts where we can make money by investing our money on their tokens. Well, so this is nothing but a social media platform which is created combining the speculation as well as content. As of now, our Web 2.0 social media platforms are having only content, and they are not paying us anything. They are not adding a wealth creation to us. But this is the platform where we can have that speculation element embedded inside. This has been a new business model which is not advertisement driven, right? And on the top of that, this is something which is running on its own custom blockchain. Well, so again, this is similar to the Bitcoin blockchain, which is working on proof of work consensus mechanism. But this particular platform is supporting a lot more things like posts, profiles, or followers feature, speculation features as well, where as a follower I can bet on some post by so and so person, say Elon Musk. Yeah. So again, comparing with the Bitcoin blockchain, that particular blockchain is supporting only the transactions, whereas this particular blockchain is supporting all these social media interactions. I can post, I can chat, I can get some followers for my profile. Everything that we do on Instagram or Twitter or Facebook can be done on this particular platform with complete privacy, complete security, and getting rewarded. How all these are happening, we'll be discussing in a while. Yeah, and this particular platform is having a higher throughput and scalability as well. And again, this is a fully open source project, just like Bitcoin blockchain. If you want to be a node, you can simply download that particular so and so hardware or software resources, and you can be a part of this particular network. And as like Bitcoin blockchain, there is no company behind. It's all just codes and coins, tokens and nodes. Well, and who has designed this? Well, there it is, Satoshi Nakamoto. Here it is Diamond Hands, but both are anonymous. You can say this Diamond has as a group of developers. Yeah, so that is all about a history, and that is all about what exactly is Bitclout and how it is going to revolutionize, how it is going to add value to our wealth is something that we'll be seeing now.